Kendra? Okay. This was number 23. So in number 23, it says we have the zeros, right? And to remember what zeros are of a quadratic, the zeros are where your quadratic is going to cross your x-axis. So here we have negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now, we don't know if the graph opens up, right, or if it opens down. Only thing we know is that our zeros, it crosses at negative 5 and at 7. So Mallory, when I'm looking at a problem like this, what I know is if these are my zeros, I know I can rewrite them as their factors. And what we can do is, remember, if these are when they cross, that's your x-intercept, right? That is when y equals 0, right? The x-axis is when the y equals 0. So what I can say is, if I add 5 to the other side and subtract 7 to the other side, I can say this is x plus 5 equals 0, x minus 7 equals 0. Right? So now what we've done, because if you guys remember how when we solved, if I said find the zeros, we factored them, then use zero product property, and then solve. So what I'm doing is I'm now setting these equal to 0. Well, these are now what we call our factors. And I can write them as my factors. So now I can write x plus 5 times x minus 7. Because remember what we're trying to do. Remember, if I said equals 0, do you remember what we did? When you got to factored point here, you did the zero product property, right? You set them both equal to 0, and then you solved them. Well, now we're just working backwards. So now I set these both equal to 0, but we're not trying to find what their values are. We're trying to find what the equation is going to be. So now I need to apply FOIL. So I just distribute. So therefore, this becomes x squared minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 equals y. And the reason why I'm setting equal to y, because I'm trying to write the equation, because they asked us what is a, b, and c. And that means it has to be in this format. So therefore, I'll just rewrite it with y equals x squared minus 2x minus 35. So therefore, we could say a equals 1, b equals negative 2, c equals negative 35. OK? Yeah. No, you're good. Sorry. You're really good.